called command line arguments, and with small examples, very small and simple. Understand, whoever want to learn Python easily understand with the practical demonstration. So you have to get idea about command lines arguments, similar to C programming, but compared to C programming, is not easy, is not difficult in Python language. So you have to see, when you go for command line arguments in Python, what it means, there will be a model called sys model. Sys model is one of the many available models of the library code, where it's definitely useful for you. Now before understanding the two example program, 2 or 3 programs, you have to understand what is sys.argv, that is argument passing. So what is means sys.argv means it is a list of command line arguments passed to the Python program, where it always argv is it always represent all the items that come along with a command line input, and also it is basically an array holding the command line arguments of program. Remember, similar to C language, in the argument of passing value start from 0, 1, argument of 0, arg of 1, argument of argv of 2, and so on, similar to C program only. How to use it? To use, if you want to use the command line argument, you can have to import it. Import the sys model. First step is import the model called sys, import sys, then you can go use the first argument, where sys.argument of 0 is always the name of the program as it was invoked, and sys.argv of 1 is the first argument you pass to the program. Now we are going to see the example how to read the argument from the command line. So remember how to read the argument from the command line, so and also how to execute the program through the command line arguments. I am not giving confusion. So when you go for command line arguments, the way is first you have to go to set the path in the command prompt cmd, where is your exactly your Python downloaded, where is your folder Python. For example, I am using Python 3.8 version, so I am using the where C users Nagaraj update and so on. So I am going to write a program called 12.py, just an example. So just program. So here, so I am writing a program 12.py, where in the program I am writing import sys and print sys.argv of. That means whatever going to argument pass. Remember, the command line arguments, what the use means, we can give the user, we can give the input through the command line arguments, not in the program. Because if you do the program, that's a normal method. So through the command line arguments, we can pass the program. So I am just to save the program in the appropriate path. So now I go to run the program. So run the program, you can type Python space program.py and whatever you want type it. So I want type here Python space 12.py. I want type post box. Just I want to pass the values and print it, printing the arguments post box underscore csc plus csc. Just I am typing and execute. What kind of answer will get means the real time. So we can pass execute the program. So what I have given the pass through the system.argv passing here. So where I just typed hostbox csc plus csc, it go and print the hostbox csc. In this program we are not doing anything, so we are not getting any answer, just passing the variable through the values through the command line argument. We are the user, we are passing values through the command line argument. Let's go for another example called 13.py, where is the program for addition of 2 numbers. So now assume that I am going to addition of 2 number, print addition of 2 number and average of 2 numbers. So I am going to write the program, import sys starting lines compulsory line and execute int space, because I want to give integer numbers. So sys dot argument of 1 and sys dot argument of 2, and I am going to write total equal to x plus y and average total by 2. They are told what are the total divided by 2, and at last I want to print total comma total and average comma average. So simple and easy. So remember, we are the user, we are going to give the input through the program, otherwise it will create error or it never print anything. So we have done the program, we saved the program called 13.py. So addition of 2 numbers, where you have to print the total and average of numbers. So just I go for execution. So what you type, Python space program name dot, that is 13.py for Simpson giving space, I am going to the value called 3 space 3. Just checking. So total, and I need average. So we have the user, we are given the input values. So it takes some few seconds time, command line arguments, no. So like that you can pass the values, variables, print whatever you want. Not only this, if you want to can yes, successfully executed. So it printing the total is 6 and the average is 3.0. So like that I can do addition of 3 numbers also. Just on real time I'm going to check it. So I'm going to give another variable. So I got to give y z is equal to int of space sys dot argv of, remember you had given the similar to C program, I had give the square bracket only, similar to C language. So simple and it's not hard to learn. So you can do it like this. How many number of arguments you want, you can pass, and I have to give total is equal to total plus z, is x plus y plus z, and average is equal to total by divided by 3 members, no. Just I can save the program now. So same program, just do modifications, save. So now I can pass 3 variables and check the answer. So I can give 3 space 3, just enter, wait for results. So it is now total of 3 numbers, integer numbers, and average of 3 numbers. Yeah, we executed successfully. So it's saying the addition of total is 9 and average 3.0. So these are the basic things you have to remember about the command line arguments in the advanced Python class. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, comment in the post box channel. Thank you.